It's beautiful, man. You got to take in life, man. Recharge yourself. You know, release back into nature, release back into the earth where you came from, and cycle back through again. Just like the water, because we are water. You feel me? We flow the same way the water cycle. Gotta just release, recharge, release, recharge. What we cooking over here? What's this? What is this? Ooh.
Is that crenat?
Is that what?
That moral fire crenat.
That more fire crenat. Ooh. You can smell it through the lens.
It just smells so yummy. Ooh. Like royalty, royalty. Like royalty, royalty. These two are going to be right here, like a little bit. I appreciate you.
Hey, fuck it. Fuck it, we out this shit. We out this shit, man. Hey. It looks sturdy. It looks sturdy. It looks sturdy.
Honestly though, you should have got some Coronas though.
Oh, my God, y'all can still get some Coronas.
Want no Coronas.
I'm gonna bring that camera right here.
Oh. Oh. It's not chicken shababis, but it looks like it. We don't touch no meat.
No meat. Let's eat.
Hey. You can't get this nowhere else but the Morifying Kitchen.
Like a girl type situation.
What you creating over here, Jamie? So you creating a swimsuit? Oh my God, she's creating a swimsuit. Okay. That's the magic of being an artist. You feel me? When you never lack because you can always create your own. So
Come over there with the camera. Look how many deer.
there's deer outside.
Look how deep.
Oh shit!
Hold up, no, that's something else. And then there was these three staring at me from a distance.
I'm gonna go check them out.
Bro, they are deep out there.
1 o'clock in the morning. 1 a.m. pool game shenanigans.
I'm still ready to take naps.
Still ready to take next. He just lost to me.
What? You lying on the camera.
Oh, you right. I'm lying. But he know he gonna lose the next time probably. Yeah. What's up?
I got 1 more ball, 2 more balls left. Let's get it.
Why you want to record this shit?
Man.
You want to record this shit?
I'm saying cause you ain't grabbed the
You know I
camera.
wanna grab
You
it.
ain't grabbed the camera. You know where the camera was at. You see? Now I gotta put the camera in your face. In your face.
I didn't know where that shit was at.
What's up? Whatever. Roxanne. You got some wise words for the camera this AM before we go on this trail? How you feeling?
I feel great.
Feeling great? Okay. How you feeling this AM,
I'm
lady?
great. You know you gotta stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated. Okay. Well, how you feeling this AM, Jamie? Feeling great. Drinking your early AM tea. Okay, I see you. This Trailervation out in the Devil's Bathtub. How you feeling this AM, Arnella? Good. Great. You ready for today's walk?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Alright, that's what's up. That's what's up. I'm asking you, you ain't look back, but I got the camera on you. Yeah. Yeah, we about to do this. We about to do this, man. Yes, yeah. How y'all feeling before the trail?
Feeling good, feeling ready. Ooh, it's supposed to be like honeysuckles again.
Oh, it's right beside you. On the ground. Behind you. You see on to your left? Yeah.
My team over there. That's okay. Oh, what do you have? Some honeysuckle? You want some?
She was just talking about that. That's the crazy part. She was like, I want some.
On the ground, man. I was like, yeah, like, I don't know if it was coming. Hey guys. Yeah.
You asked and you received.
Right. Ready.
Just like that.
all nice and wet.
Nah, for real.
See, oxygen.
I feel like I'm on like elementary. That's smart. They're cold. Yeah, right? They probably grip big. Oh.
You know, life give you different obstacles, you know?
Yes, different obstacles, different
Everybody
paths.
taking different paths.
Yeah, different paths.
Different
You know,
journeys.
you can follow behind somebody else, you know, or create your own path.
His sock got wet anyway.
I should have took my shoes off.
Yeah. You was better off doing that.
I feel like if you keep it on.
Okay, let me try to cross this without equality. I feel like I'm going in like a Okay, except that like the walking stick, it helps you connect to earth like even more. It brings the frequency. Harm's good. Where's Harm? Right here.
Wait, are we going that way?
Oh, that's good. Oh, the other guy is really
Got no damn meat on my bones.
You're good.
Recording? What's up? We out here at the Devil's Bathtub, Bristol, Virginia. Got my hands out here. We are really in nature with it, you feel me? We've been here since yesterday. Good times, good energy. You hear this? Listen, just listen for a second. Beautiful, man. You got to take in life, man. Recharge yourself. You know, release back into nature, release back into the earth where you came from, and cycle back through again. Just like the water, because we are water. You feel me? We flow the same way the water cycle. Got to just release, recharge, release, recharge. And we out here doing that. We about to jump in the water, man. I'm ready
The
for it.
Vanyans, feng shui flow. You already know. In that verde, sun rays.
Yeah, Caramel Sunday's Trelevation, birthday out here. You know, more fire. They was cooking in the
More
kitchen
fire.
yesterday. They killed in the kitchen. Man, we had people that don't even eat mushrooms killing multiple plates of mushrooms. Like, oh, I thought this was meat, but they don't touch no meat. We just said let's eat, and they got to the table and did their thing. You feel me? Because it's good energy out here. That's what we doing. We introducing our culture to what what we need, what benefits us. You feel me? A lot of times we take trips to go spend a whole lot of money, go club, go do shit that's detrimental to you and the growing of your journey. You feel me? But this is how we prosper, and we do it together. You
It's
feel
that
me?
organic.
You glowing.
Yeah, she really is though. Shining, glowing. Like this is where we come from. Like this, you should feel at home out here.
Let's all hold each other.
Like whatever your man tells you, just do it. Just do it.
You good?
Trust in self.
Trust and soul.
Exactly.
Because you connected to everything out here.
This is our mother.
Mother Earth
All the
first.
butterflies that come back to Earth.
Let's go. See?
Yeah, man. This is beautiful.